Today we are going to calculate the rate of reaction using the graphs. As you know, the rate of reaction is a time derivative of concentration. So the rate of reaction at any moment can be found from the gradient of the tangent at that point. The steeper the gradient, the faster the rate of reaction. The gradient of the graph becomes less steep because the reaction will naturally slow down due to the cumulative loss of reactant molecules. When the gradient first becomes zero, or the graph line becomes horizontal, one or more of the reactants has been used up and the reaction has then stopped. So let's calculate the rate of reaction when concentration is equal to 1.20 mole per cubic decimeter. Place a ruler so it is an equal distance from the curve at both sides of where it's touching the curve. The gradient is equal y change divided to x change. So delta y is equal 0 minus 1.60 and delta x is equal 1520 minus 0. When you calculate the gradient, the value is negative because the concentration of reactants is decreased. If our graph were change of products concentration, our gradient will be positive. However, rate of reaction is always positive.